Hello and welcome to JC's Garage. Today I'll be showing you how to do Swaybar links on a W204 Mercedes C63. We're going to want to loosen all the wheels just slightly, just so when we do get the car ready, we are able to easily take the wheels off. If you have a rattle gun, this is not needed. Now looking at back here, we can see three things. That our shock has leaked out, so we need to replace the shock. That our bush over here is starting to crack, so we're going to have to replace this bush, or it either comes as a bush and an entire arm, or just the bush. And for the third part, our Swaybar links are split and destroyed. Let's see here, it's broken. So here on the passenger side we can see this bush is cracked. This side the shock is not leaking. However, up here it's even worse. As you can see up here, this is even worse. This one's lost all its fluid, all its grease. So these ones need replacing as soon as possible. So what we have here is a T40 Torx with a 18mm nut holding it on. So what I've got here is this special tool. It's a socket that you can put over, and it pretty much lets you still go through the middle. It spaces it out, and lets you use a normal socket. So what's going to happen is you're going to get it loose with this one. It's going to become loose, and you want to get your T40 Torx, put it in the center, and let it. Now we'll actually get that properly loose. So it does take a while, but eventually you'll get it to this point. Just spin the nut off, and that's one done. So now we just got to do the bottom, and then we're going to go on to the other side. Now once this is loose, we'll take this one out. Just because of how bad this one is, it's struggling. And here we have our old genuine Mercedes link and our new aftermarket Whiteline link. As you can see here, this Mercedes link boot has split on this upper and lower. It leaked all grease out, it's even getting on the cardboard right here. Let's see how this Whiteline one goes. So here we have our Whiteline links. It comes with 2 washers for each. So one goes on the inside, one goes on the outside. So you can put one on first. So the first one on the inside, one on the outside. We'll get our nut. This is a locking nut, so expect it to have some fight against you. So now it gets to the point where it's all spinning together. We'll get our Allen key. Now you'll see at the bottom here it's a bit out of shape, but while you tighten the bolt it'll adjust itself. So these new ones come with 6mm Allen keys and 19mm bolts. You want to make sure that both sides are partially fitted before you tighten one up, otherwise you might struggle getting the other side on. Now once both of these are tight, move on to the other side and we're finished. And that's it. Both of these are tight. Let's put the wheels back on and take the car for a spin. So quickly before we put the wheels back on, I'm going to quickly wash and clay by the wheels so they look a bit cleaner when they go on the car. Alright, so they're nice and clean. Let them sit for about 5 minutes, then we'll put them on the car. After a drive, so much more responsive turning in, and I found that while I was actually doing sharp turns at low speeds, it held together so much better than before. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.